Snooker and billiards are sports defined by skill, strategy, and above all, integrity. Every shot counts, every frame matters, and fans trust that what they see on the table is fair and genuine. But when match fixing enters the picture, that trust is shattered, and the consequences are severe. In the UK, professional players are subject not only to the law, but also to the rules of the sport's governing body, the WPBSA, the World Professional Billiards and Snooker Association. And it's here that a crucial distinction emerges. The WPBSA often takes a far harder line on match fixing than the law itself. Under criminal law, proving match fixing can be difficult. Prosecutors must establish beyond reasonable doubt that a player deliberately manipulated the outcome of a match, often linked to gambling or bribery. Without concrete evidence, legal action may be limited. Yet the WPBSA does not need to meet the same high threshold. Their focus is on protecting the integrity of the sport, not prosecuting crimes. Even a credible suspicion of collusion, irregular play, or improper conduct can trigger disciplinary proceedings. Sanctions imposed by the WPBSA can be swift and severe. Suspensions, fines, or permanent bans from professional competition are all on the table. Importantly, these decisions are made independently of the courts, following the association's own disciplinary procedures. Players may face scrutiny long before any legal verdict is reached. This approach reflects the delicate balance in professional sport. While the law deals with punishment and criminal liability, the WPBSA's role is preventative and reputational. Protecting the credibility of tournaments, safeguarding sponsorships, and maintaining public confidence in the game are priorities. In other words, a player can face career-altering consequences from the association, even if no criminal offense has occurred. For players, the implications are serious. Legal defense is important, but so is understanding the association's processes. Evidence, procedural fairness, and timely responses can all influence the outcome. Players and clubs alike must be vigilant, maintain transparency, and adhere strictly to professional standards. At Blackstone Solicitors, we help players navigate the complex intersection of sporting rules and the law. Match-fixing allegations are not just about potential criminal liability, they are about protecting careers, reputations, and the integrity of the sport itself. Snooker and billiards demand precision on the table and discipline off it. When allegations of match-fixing arise, it is the governing body, not the courts, that often sets the tone. And that tone can be uncompromising. Blackstone Solicitors. Defending your professional integrity and helping you stay on course, both on and off the table.